All right, we're out here in the middle of the flatlands. We're going to see if we can capture the 7 planets. So we'll see what we got. See you guys soon. Peace.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're a little bit closer to the 7 planets. We're not quite at 7, but I believe we're at 4 right now. So I'm going to start. Right now, we're looking sort of in the east direction, and I'm going to pan up, and you'll be seeing a few constellations throughout. If you recognize them, you can go ahead and comment on which ones they are. So right now, this one right here, that's Mars. It's hard to see in the video, but it's like an amber color. Let me take the pin away so it can focus. So we're going to go for Mars. And then there you can start to see Orion, the Orion's belt. Those 3 stars lined up next to each other. And there is Jupiter, largest planet in our solar system. Okay. And we're going to move somewhere within this area, although it's too hard to see, is Uranus, Uranus. That is very distant, very faint. And so let me backtrack a little bit. So there is the belt, there is Mars, the amber color. There is Jupiter. Uranus is somewhere in here. And we're sort of parallaxing around. And we're going to make our way to, that's 3. We're going to make our way to, that is Venus, the brightest in our solar system. Okay. And then next, if we even pan down further, which would be much more difficult to see with this camera, this phone, is, let me see if I can zoom in and see what it's like. Okay, there we go. There is Neptune. Let me see, get this pin right up in there. That's Neptune right there. And then you can see the crescent moon right just below it. Light years and light years away, actually. And if we pan back out, what's left is what we cannot see. It's faded over, would be in this area. We would have, okay, there would be Saturn and Mercury in this area roughly. Let me pan back out. Get this in a better light, better focus. So within this area. So that would be Saturn, Mercury, and then that is Neptune, if I'm not mistaken. And that's Venus. Let me focus is better. We're going in reverse, basically. And then we go back up to, there is Jupiter. Right there. Uranus is somewhere around there. And we can get a decent picture of a decent visual of Orion's belt. The proverbial god Orion. And then that amber one is, where are we? There it is, right there. That's Mars. So within this time frame, this past week, viewable with the naked eye and with a few other devices, telescope, binoculars, or telephoto lenses for cameras, there are the 7 planets. So, and that's looking back east, and I'm just gonna pan back over once more. Feel free to comment if you recognize any of the constellations. I have to move through quickly. And then we end with the bright star of Venus. All right, take care. Peace.